What a beautiful modern ridge view home. Bautista, and we'd like to welcome you to our latest Metroguide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern, gorgeous 4-bedroom and 3-level house and lot for sale located here in Silang, Cavite. This property has a spacious floor area of approximately 600 square meters and a lot area of 436 square meters. And let's begin with this tour. Let's go! So this is an evening tour so that you can appreciate the beautiful views and the lighting of the property. From the pedestrian gate, you immediately have your carport area that can easily fit 4 vehicles. This property is also on elevated terrain, and let's head on up towards your main entry. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You immediately have a high ceiling space right above the foyer space of the property, giving you so much natural light, and you also have beautiful modern lighting. From your foyer space, let's now explore your living room area. You have a high ceiling space here with beautiful light fixtures as well as windows all the way to the next level of the property. On this side, it smoothly flows towards your modern dining space. You have seating here already for up to 8 people. And you even have an additional space here in terms of provision for additional storage. And I love the interior design in terms of the wooden design for the ceiling, and it matches the lighting so well. Now from here, let's explore your den room right here, which is an additional family entertainment space. What's cool here is the hidden door. You wouldn't even notice the door here until you start opening it. And you have a den space right here. You have additional storage on this side. And this opens up towards your patio balcony area, which we will explore in a little while. This den room also has its own bathroom, with floor-to-ceiling tiling and tempered glass for the shower enclosure. And one of the things that stands out for this property is the high ceiling. From your dining space, let's now explore your spacious terrace and patio space. Let's go. This is the perfect space to just relax and enjoy your time with friends and family. You have two separate areas. You have a lounge space right here and an outdoor dining set. And it's also partially covered as well. This is also a nice place to have barbecues and get-togethers. You also have a great view of your garden area. And I love how well lit it is even in the late afternoons. Let's head back in. From your dining area, let's now explore your modern kitchen. The first thing that you'll notice here is the size of the space. You have an island countertop right here with a countertop area and then a wooden design, perfect for preparing meals. You also have beautiful pendant lights and built-in appliances right here. And I love the subway tiles as well. And you have a large window here for natural light, double sink space, and what stands out here once again is you have a breakfast nook area with a table for 4 people. So this is a nice illustration of how you can maximize the space. And once again, you have that high ceiling consistent with what you have in the dining area. In addition, on top of your main kitchen, you have an auxiliary kitchen space right here. Here we have your auxiliary kitchen space, which is an additional service area on top of your show kitchen. You have an access door here leading towards your parking area. On this side, you have a pantry room as well for additional storage. On top of the well-organized auxiliary kitchen space, this property also has 2 staff rooms and a driver's room. Now your kitchen and breakfast nook space has access from the dining area and towards the foyer space. And from the main entry, you immediately have access towards a powder room. I love the contrast of the dark tiles, and it further emphasizes the high ceiling. And now let's explore your lower ground level. Let's go. I like the lighted steps, and the entire house feels so homey and welcoming. This is a nice addition. Instead of having grills, you have tempered glass right here as a safety barrier. Right here, you have additional storage underneath the stairs. Even this space is nicely decorated, and you have access here towards your parking area. And then on this side, you have an office room. So this can be a great playroom, music room, but currently it's been set up as a home office. So it's up to you how you want to maximize this room. It also has access towards a tiled patio space and your garden area, which we are going to explore in a little while. On this side, you have a bathroom. Once again, with floor-to-ceiling tiling. And what's nice about this is this bathroom serves 2 rooms. Your home office and your guest room right here, which we're going to count as your first bedroom. You have built-in storage right here, and your bed has a great view of your garden area. Let's head back out here. Now welcome to your patio space. This is a lower ground level where you have an area that's completely covered where you can have an al fresco additional living room set. And it's a great area also to entertain guests and have a barbecue. And you have a spacious landscape garden area. This property is a hillside property with a ridge view. That's why even your lower ground level is already elevated. And I love that there are already lights placed all around this space to make it a great area even in the evenings. And you can see the size of the space and such a beautiful facade of the house even in the early evenings. You have access here also towards the side of the house and here towards the front as well. Let's head on in. You also have access towards the garden area from your guest room right here. Okay. Now we're back here in the hallway in the lower ground level. And let me just say, this house is so well planned. And every single area in the house flows so smoothly towards the other spaces. And now we're back here in your foyer space. And we've explored the lower ground level, the main ground level, and now we're gonna head on up towards the second level where we have your second, third, and fourth bedrooms. Let's go. Your staircase gives you a great view of your foyer space and also of your living and dining area. And that large picture window in the daytime gives you a fantastic view of the surrounding community. You have your hallway space right here. And this is where you have your second bedroom. And this is where you have your third bedroom. Both have their own bathrooms. And here, let's now explore your fourth bedroom, which is also your master or primary bedroom. So you have space here for a king-sized bed with interior design to accommodate the bed as well. Elegant lighting all throughout. Space enough for an entertainment console and a home office space. And also, you have, once again, the high ceiling. And let's now explore your walk-in closet space and bathroom. The walk-in closet space is quite spacious, but for the owner's privacy, we're just going to show you a quick image so that you can have an idea on the size. But we're going to move on immediately towards your master bathroom. Let's go. From the walk-in closet space, you have these sliding doors with frosted glass, revealing your master bathroom with a dual vanity sink space, and then a separate water closet and shower area, and a freestanding bathtub with frosted glass here to give you privacy, but at the same time natural lighting during the daytime. And here we have your master balcony. Where you have a fantastic view of the surrounding community. And you can even view your terrace space and garden from here. And that caps off our house tour of this beautiful 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Silang, Cavite. you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great home for you and your family.